Greetings, cosmic explorers. Today we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through the cosmos, delving into the inception and eventual destiny of our universe. Buckle up as we traverse billions of years, from the explosive birth at the Big Bang to the tantalizing mysteries that lie ahead. The universe, a vast expanse of space and time, has always been a source of fascination and wonder. Our understanding of its origin and ultimate fate has evolved over time, shaped by scientific theories and observations that have pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. The story of the universe's birth is told through the lens of the Big Bang Theory, a cornerstone of modern cosmology. Roughly 13.8 billion years ago, the universe existed as a singular point of infinite density and temperature, a singularity. This remarkable moment, often referred to as the Big Bang, marked the inception of space, time, matter, and energy as we know them. In the earliest moments after the Big Bang, the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion known as cosmic inflation. During this phase, the fabric of space itself expanded exponentially, smoothing out irregularities and laying the groundwork for the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. As the universe cooled down, particles such as protons, neutrons, and electrons emerged, eventually giving rise to the first atoms. The evolution of stars and galaxies. Over billions of years, gravity played a pivotal role in shaping the universe's structure. Clumps of matter began to attract one another, forming the first galaxies and stars. Stars, through their nuclear fusion, created heavier elements, and eventually, massive stars ended their lives in explosive supernova, scattering these elements into space. These newly formed elements became the building blocks for subsequent generations of stars and planetary systems. The dark energy mystery cosmic expansion. As the universe expanded, astronomers made a remarkable discovery in the late 20th century. The universe's expansion is accelerating. This revelation led to the concept of dark energy, a mysterious force that appears to be driving this acceleration. The nature of dark energy remains one of the most significant unsolved puzzles in cosmology, and its presence challenges our understanding of fundamental physics. The future, cosmic destinies. Peering into the distant future, scientists have proposed several intriguing scenarios for the fate of the universe, influenced by the interplay of dark energy, matter, and gravity. Heat, death, or big freeze. If dark energy continues to accelerate the universe's expansion, galaxies will drift farther apart. Stars will exhaust their fuel, leading to darkness and cold. In this heat-death scenario, energy gradients would be leveled, making the universe inhospitable for life. Big crunch. In a universe with diminishing dark energy, gravity might eventually slow the expansion, leading to a big crunch. The universe would contract, potentially culminating in a reverse of the expansion initiated by the Big Bang. However, current observations suggest that dark energy's influence is growing rather than declining. The Big Rip, a more speculative concept, envisions dark energy becoming increasingly dominant, growing powerful enough to overcome even forces binding galaxies and atoms. This hypothetical Big Rip scenario would result in a rapid and dramatic unraveling of the universe. Conclusion: a continuous quest for understanding. In the grand tapestry of cosmic history, the universe's beginning and end remain subjects of ongoing research, observation, and theoretical exploration. The journey to comprehend these profound questions continues to inspire scientists and thinkers worldwide. The beauty of scientific inquiry lies in its willingness to embrace uncertainty and its unending pursuit of truth, guiding us on a remarkable journey through the origins and destinies of our universe. As our understanding deepens, so too does our connection to the awe-inspiring mysteries that shape our existence. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content and support our channel for exploring the vast universe.